Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a paper gun that can shoot. So let's start. First of all, you need to make 7 paper rolls like those. All you have to do is just putting a pencil on a sheet of paper and rolling it like that. After you finish, fix the paper roll with some tape. Then use a small stick to push the pencil out. Next, take 4 paper rolls and put them together like that. Then fix them together with some tape. Make sure that you leave the area at the end untaped because that's where you're gonna put the trigger and the grip, so you need to leave this area untaped. After that, use a cutter to make an angle cut at the end of it. Next, take another 2 paper rolls and cut them equally in half like this. Take 3 of them and keep this one for now. Using a plier, press so hard on the tip of each roll to flatten them out. Then bring the 4 taped rolls and put some glue at the untaped area that we talked about before. After you finish, insert the 3 rolls next to each other with an angle. And to complete making the grip, get a sheet of paper and fold it in half both ways like this. Then keep folding it until it becomes like this. After you finish, put the paper on the 3 rolls and fold the top of it until it fits in. And don't forget to cut the remaining bits. Make another one and glue each one on both sides of the grip. Take the piece of roll that we kept before and progressively press on it like that. Then put it with a grip like that and fix them together with some white electrical tape. You can use hot glue, but I prefer using white electrical tape because it gives it a much better look. For the shooting part, you need to make those 2 pair of pieces, the trigger and the trigger rod. So, take the remaining paper roll and cut it into 3 pieces like this. Glue the bottom of the barrel and stick the biggest piece of roll on it. Then take the smallest piece of roll and fold it reversely like this. Then glue it at the front of the barrel. Take the remaining piece and also fold it reversely like this. Then make an angle cut at the top of it. After that, get a rubber band and put it around the trigger. Then stick the trigger between the rolls until it gets from the other side. Make another piece of roll and fold it like that. Then put some hot glue to hold it in place. Push the trigger back a little bit and fix some electrical tape in front of it to prevent it from slipping. Use a scissors to make a small cut to the lower piece of roll in order to hold the rubber band on it. This way, whenever you pull the trigger, the rubber band will pull it back. Finally, get another rubber band and double it like this. Then stretch it between the front sight and the trigger. Once you pull the trigger, the rubber band will be released.